Well, let's take a look at what is happening in the markets, and we start off with the local bourse. We have seen the JSE sinking further into red territory. Of course, we did have terrible news coming out from Stats SA on unemployment, with that figure ticking up slightly to 32.1% in the fourth quarter of 2023. Of course, you are seeing a sea of red there, all share declining almost 0.9%. With the industrial 25 carrying the bulk of those losses, sliding more than 1%, followed by the resources 10 complex there with a decline just shy of 0.9%, and the financial 15 sliding by almost 0.4%. Let's take a look at what is happening with the market stateside, and of course those markets starting off their shortened week after the President's Day holiday yesterday. Coming back to some sour sentiment, of course we did have a retailer, Home Depot, there coming out with numbers beating on the top and the bottom line, but posting a lower than expected guidance there. We are seeing the S&P 500 declining almost 0.7%. The tech-heavy Nasdaq, they're taking a nosedive of almost 1.5%, and the Dow just 0.06% below the flat line. Let's take a look at what is happening with the markets across the Atlantic, and over there also those markets still digesting results. We did have Barclays coming out with results, and that share price surging by about 7% there as it announced a restructuring of its business. The CAC 40 there being the only one in the green, up almost 1/3%. The FTSE 100 declining more than 0.1%, and the DAX there sliding almost 0.3%. Let's take a look at the currency scene and start off with how the rand is doing against some of the major currencies. A slight strength against the US dollar, but slight weakness against the other currencies. So standing at 18.90 rand against the US dollar, against the pound at 23.94 rand, and against the euro at 20.46 rand.